Hey, jing my bells, jing it all the way.
It's Christmas!
Like that.
Yeah, just like that. It's amazing.
Happy Christmas, everyone.
Happy Christmas.
Christmas, eh? Suppose it might catch on.
Spacelane traffic is advised to stay away from Sol 3, also known as Earth. Pilots are warned Sol 3 is now entering terminal extinction. Planet Earth is closed. Planet Earth is closed. Planet Earth is closed.
Is it time? Is it ready?
Is the machine singing?
2 minutes past.
So, Earthlings. Basically, end of the world.
Here! Come! The drone! Remove 1/10 of the population!
It's all happening so fast. My life is a speeding train and I'm not sure where it's headed. One thing is certain, I've been given a second chance. Touched by God, and I've got to believe that He has a purpose for my life. So why am I filled with self-doubt? Plagued by demons, real and imaginary. Frightened by the challenges ahead, and haunted by the ghosts of my past. Does God know what I am? Do I? Am I an angel or a monster?
It's Christmas!